Here are some tips on using your SL60 snore mask from Beurer. Start off by fully charging the battery of the snore mask either on the computer using the charging cable or by using a USB adapter. As soon as the battery is fully charged, the operating light will remain green. Move the on-off switch to on to switch on the snore mask. The operating light will light up green for 15 seconds. The snore mask is now ready for use. In order to be able to use the full range of functions, download the Beurer Sleep Quiet app from the App Store or from Google Play. Before initial use, the snore mask has to be connected to the app. After switching on the device, the Bluetooth display will also flash blue for 15 seconds. Start up the app and follow the instructions to connect the snore mask with the app. Now put on the snore mask like a regular sleep mask and lie down to sleep. Ensure that the plastic panel on the back of the control unit is touching the forehead with light pressure. To do so, adjust the hook and loop fastener to your desired size. As soon as you get up, remove the snore mask and switch the on-off switch to off. To transfer the recorded data to the app, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone, open the Beurer Sleep Quiet app and switch on the snore mask. If Bluetooth is deactivated, press the funk button on the control unit to start the data transfer process. Once the Bluetooth display on the snore mask lights up permanently blue, this means the snore mask is connected with the app and your data is being transferred. To ensure that you don't lose any data, we recommend transferring the data after each use. To wash the snore mask, detach the control unit from the snore mask. Please also observe the instructions for use and safety notes. We hope you enjoy using your SL60 snore mask from Beurer. Stay healthy.